The province is expanding eligibility for second booster doses. So anyone aged 18 and over is eligible to receive their second booster dose, recommended to have been at least 5 months since their first booster dose, and a minimum of 3 months if they've had a recent COVID-19 infection. It is a bit of a nuanced, I think, policy. The province is recommending anyone aged 18 and over that has a medical condition that either moderately or severely affects their immune system to get their second booster dose. And then otherwise, they've opened up eligibility, but for those other individuals to make an informed decision based on their own risks for whether or not they choose to have a second booster dose at this point in time. What's really key with this most recent announcement this morning is to not lose sight of the importance of the first booster dose. There is still a large proportion of the community that is eligible for their first booster dose that hasn't received it. Just in HKPR jurisdiction alone, among those eligible for their first booster dose, only 59% have received it. Which means there's another 41% that haven't received their first booster dose. Certainly, as in the older age groups, we've seen better uptake, and we're close to 40% among the population age 60 and over that's already received their second booster dose in addition to their first booster dose. So, key message, if you haven't received your first booster dose, really now is the time to do it. We are seeing increased activity, and we know that the benefit of that first booster dose is important. If you're 18 and over and have moderate or severely immune compromising conditions, it's recommended you get that second booster dose now, and certainly your first booster dose if you haven't received it yet. In terms of access to vaccines, so there remain the usual channels. Pharmacies throughout the region are continuing to offer COVID-19 vaccine. There's many primary care providers and primary care teams that are offering vaccine clinics to all eligible individuals. There are health unit-led clinics that are being offered, and with the recent provincial announcement, we are adding additional health unit-led clinics at the health unit offices. These additional clinics will be by appointment only, and appointments will be made available through the provincial booking system. It's our understanding that the provincial booking system will be updated to accept these additional second booster doses by tomorrow. If you're not seeing any appointments yet tomorrow, I would suggest that you keep checking if you'd like to receive your vaccine through one of the health unit-led clinics that will be upcoming in the next couple of weeks. In addition, I think we're fortunate that the GoVax bus continues to frequent our region. There are 6 GoVax bus clinics that are scheduled to come across HKPR in the next 2 weeks, and additional 16 visits from the GoVax bus scheduled for August. As of right now, it's our understanding that the GoVax clinics will continue to accept walk-ins. And so for those people that are now eligible for their second booster dose, that you should be able to walk in at a GoVax bus clinic. And if you're looking for specifics in terms of dates, times, and locations, you can visit to our website, which has all of the up-to-date information, and we'll have more information posted in the next couple of days as we confirm additional clinics.